Did you know the world's first paper money wasn't created in Europe or the Americas? It started in ancient China, centuries ahead of the West. It all began during the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 AD. Merchants used flying money, a form of promissory note, to make trade easier over long distances. In the Song Dynasty, 960 to 1279 AD, the government formalized paper money to boost the economy. These notes were backed by precious metals like gold and silver. Carrying heavy coins was risky and inconvenient. Paper money made trade faster, safer, and more efficient, especially for long-distance exchanges on the Silk Road. Marco Polo, the Venetian explorer, was amazed by paper money when he visited China in the 13th century. He even described it in his book. It wasn't until the 17th century that Europe adopted paper money, inspired by China's early innovation. From ancient China to today's digital payments, money has come a long way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating economics facts.